Hey guys, today we have Series 2 of Soft and Slow Squishies Animal Pals. We found this in our local Walmart and they were so cute we had to pick them up. So this first one is a little, I'm not sure if it's a kitten or a dog. Looks like it's a little dog. I thought it was a kitten at first, but it's really cute. And super soft. So here it is out of the package. It's got such a sweet little face. I love the colors. It's really soft. It's kind of fast rising, but that's okay too. Got a nice pop back. And there's a licensing on the bottom, says Orb China. Super cute. So here is the koala bear. This one's super cute too. And I noticed it says improved formula. So these are actually a lot squishier than the first animal pals that we received, but they're just as cute. And here is the koala out of the package. I really love the colors on these. They're really fun. This one is very soft and airy too. There's a licensing. And I like how they just kind of sit there. They'd be like perfect for your shelf or your desk or whatever. They're so cute. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, tell us in the comments which one was your favorite. Thanks again for watching. Bye.